Hey guys, currently 5:55 on the 25th of April. I entered this trade earlier on in the morning at around 2 a.m. I think, and it was a loss, which is okay. I don't mind. But currently I'm in another trade with my other strategy on the 15-minute time frame, and this is how it's going. A little bit in profit, but we'll just see how it kind of goes throughout the day. I have class today and I have a meeting later on with a handyman who's supposed to come and fix something that's broken in my house. So long day today, but I'll keep you updated. In the mornings I can kind of get hungry, so I made myself a little meal supplement. It's a kind of a chocolate one, pretty good, and it's a good way to start the morning instead of just 3 a.m. and you're already drinking and eating, cereals. I usually start off with a quick shake, then later on around 8 or around 8 a.m. I usually have something more concrete. My little trading station on my bed right here, where all the magic and the money happens. And the weather today is insane. Like at around 4 a.m. it just started pouring heavy. I just opened this, you can see. It's crazy. If I decrease the brightness, I don't know. Anyway, it's a vibe. It's gonna be super cold today, which I love. Because I can finally take out my winter clothes. Anyway, peace. So guys, this is something that I just started doing. It's a habit tracker. I'm currently reading the book. There it is. Oh, wrong one. I started reading the book, Atomic Habits, and it's just really got me thinking about what I do, my habits, what habits I'd like to remove. And I've just been taking a whole lot of notes on the book. I'm currently on chapter 5, as you can see. And what I've started doing is just kind of doing this little bit of a habits tracking. These are kind of the habits that I want to make sure I do every single day. So I've just been kind of, for the past couple of days, I've been keeping track of every single good habit that I do on a daily, like trading, reading for at least 10 minutes, morning prayer and a verse, water, 10-minute cleanup, just the usual. It's currently, the 25th, so far all I've actually done is trade. I've done my morning prayer and verse. And yeah, so far that's all I've done. So just a little update on trying to become a better me, which is just incorporating these little cute habit trackers, making sure that I don't slip back into old habits. So yeah, something about being a trader is that you also have to try and improve yourself. It's more than just trading. The better person you are, the greater trader you will be. So just a little update for you. So it's actually currently 6 o'clock, but I'm watching one of my favorite YouTubers, Tristan Miles. If you don't know him, check him out. Love his content. I always watch his videos literally from beginning to end. So just a little shout out to Tristan Miles. And the rain has stopped. Finally. Okay, I'm still sad that it stopped raining, but a little bit of a gloomy feel today. Perfect. Hey guys, okay, so it's currently 8:32. This trade, I was stopped out for a loss. I got another re-entry for another short, so I just re-entered that. It was about negative, how much percent? Okay, I actually forgot to put it in. Yeah, I forgot to log it in, but it's probably gonna be another whatever 1% loss, not a big deal. On this strategy, nothing's happening yet. The 4-hour time frame is still very indecisive. As you can see, it's just kind of like giving us this kind of an upward channel, so I don't really want to get involved until I have clear price action, you know, in the 4-hour time frame. So I won't really be making any other trades. This I was just putting here, you know, in case I see something, but you know, until the 4 hour shows, you know, a more decisive direction, I'm not gonna get involved when it comes to this strategy. But I did just enter this one. So it is 8 o'clock, almost 8:30, and my lecture was cancelled for reasons. So looks like I'm staying home today. So I'm just gonna continue trading and continue trying to finish all those tasks that that you saw on my to-do list. So it's currently 12:09 and take profit was hit for my second trade that I took. So if you remember earlier, I entered this trade, which was a loss, then I re-entered the short. Price came down, just hit my TP before kind of pushing back up again. So that leaves me up about, I think, 2% for the day, something like that. So this was the first trade for negative 0.68, and this is the second trade. So that's about what? I'm up about 2.38% overall on the day, which is perfectly fine. As for the other strategy, I still haven't seen it. Please ignore the rain sounds if you can hear them, but I'm still not entering on the price on this strategy because the 4-hour time frame is still a little bit confusing. As you can see right here, I wrote price has no clear direction on the 4-hour time frame. Wait for some form of confirmation there before proceeding with any trades. So yeah, price is still not really making any headway. It's not really moving in any directions, just kind of pushing up and down this channel. So I have no entry so far, but yeah, we're doing good so far then.